Here's a job everybody wants to avoid. Replacing exhaust manifolds on, you guessed it, a 5.4 liter. Let's get into it. Step 1, get out your torch. You will need it. Step 2, remove the starter. And if you don't got one of these, that job is a lot harder. Step 3, remove the converter assembly. Step 4, remove said manifold. And there's manifold number 2. Next step, remove all the studs. Step number, I don't know how many, extract the worst bolt that could possibly break. Every other one came out except for the top one on the right side all the way at the front. If you know, you know. So you can see I've got a little tidbit welded on it already, so we'll see if we can get her out. If I wasn't here witnessing this for myself, I wouldn't believe it either, but this is the first attempt. And look at that. Definitely the big guy in the sky has got me on it. Oh! You could stop the video now.
Big guy in the sky didn't help you.
He's still being good to me. It's just that one broke. A few moments later. I don't have that video clip, but here we go. Watch this. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I got it.
You want me to videotape it now?
I'm videotaping it. Hey, don't touch my butt. I'm trying to work here. Let's go. Woohoo. I still love you. Oh, it's taking too long. That's what she said. Let's go. Ooh, that's still hot, 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 hot.
Let's go.
Your noise.
Let's go.
Hey, stop it.
What? I'm from my coat. See?
There it is. Woo woo. Beautiful nails. And for step number 349,000, install new studs. And then a gasket and then manifold. And just like that, new manifold is installed. Part number who knows how many. Now we have to repair these ends that are rotted out. Look at that. So let's get that fixed. And just like that, we got new flares welded on. We hit them behind the, there. Look at that. Good as new. Stainless pipe, stainless MIG weld. Should be good. Okay, so that Ford is finally done. And let me tell you, that job is no joke. Changing those manifolds, I think flat rate on them is like 5 hours or something stupid like that. The manufacturer, okay, all this stuff with Ford and CEO of Ford and all that stuff going on. If somebody's going to do these manifolds in 5 hours, as rusted as they are in southwestern Ontario here, man, you're a better man than I am, because I sure as heck can't do that. So I think I've got like 10 or 12 hours into this now because of having to rebuild that Y pipe and stuff. But anyway, it's done. Quiet. Customers are going to be happy.